Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought I would bring you guys along with me as I clean up my car. It's not like too dirty. There's just for the most part just some trash that I haven't taken out, and it's just a little bit dusty, so it's not like too dirty. I don't think it should take me too long, but I just thought I would bring you guys along with me as I clean it. But yeah, if you're interested in these types of videos, please keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. But yeah, let's just get on to the video. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible because there's quite a few cars that drive by, so it gets kind of loud. But this is the passenger side. My husband's lunchbox that he never took out, some drinks. That is actually my mask. I've been looking for that. Got some drinks. It's really a lot of just drinks and cups. This is the bag. The bag here is a little bit more dirty right here. I'm just gonna vacuum all that up. Over there, there's some drinks. These seats are a little bit dirty. I'm gonna try to steam clean these just as quickly as possible because it does look like it's going to rain. But yeah, there's just it's really not that bad, like I said. But yeah, it just needs a quick vacuum, a quick wipe down. And back here, it is empty. It's not too dirty, but I do want to vacuum everything out and just clean it out. So yeah, it's really not that bad for the most part. Just a few drinks, some dusting, a little bit of vacuuming, so it's not too bad. This stain here in the passenger seat, I don't know what happened here, so I'm gonna try and see if I can get that out. But yeah, that is it, so let's just get started cleaning. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do before actually cleaning is you want to take out any trash laying around, and that was really what the car needed. It wasn't like actually dirty. We just had a bunch of drinks laying around, mostly from my kids in the back. So I'm cleaning all of that out, and I didn't really know how much trash was in the back seats until I started pulling everything out from under the seats, which was actually pretty embarrassing. So please don't come for me. I know it's nasty, but I have small kids and they just like to throw everything on the floor and under all of the seats.
You did. I saw the world turning in my mind. Oh, yesterday you pulled the rug under my feet. So I'm trying to wake me up. What if I'm making it all up? You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling way down, all delusional. 'Cause you got me feeling like I can lose a dream and got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams. Cause you got me feeling like I can lose a dream and got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid.
Okay, so now that I've cleared everything out of the car, I'm just gonna go ahead and start vacuuming everything. And this is just a really cheap shop vac that we got I believe Walmart, maybe Home Depot. It was really inexpensive, probably 40-50 bucks, so it wasn't expensive at all. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through and just start vacuuming everything. And the floors really weren't as bad as I thought they would be. It was mostly just the drinks that were laying around that made the car look dirty, but I went ahead and just vacuumed everything anyways. But yeah, the front really wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. It was mostly, again, where my kids sit. They just had some goldfish and just a few other snacks laying around. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just vacuum the entire car.
Next to me, your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it. How you turned everything around. I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
So now that I'm done vacuuming everything, I didn't actually get a clip of myself vacuuming the very back of the car. I guess I just forgot to get that filmed. But now that I'm done vacuuming everything, I'm now going to just go around and dust everything with this Armor All Interior Detailer Spray. I got this at Walmart. It's also really inexpensive, probably about $4 or $5 for the bottle, and I'm just spraying that on a microfiber cloth, and I'm just wiping everything down and making sure I get all of the dust and fingerprints and anything sticky around the car.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Okay, so this was probably the most satisfying part for me. I found this rotating brush that you connect to your drill off of Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description box below. Make sure you check that out. But previously I had used another cleaning solution that had like a little scrub on the cap of it, and it just didn't work at all. So I found this on Amazon and I decided to try it. I just sprayed some warm water with some dish soap and I scrubbed the entire seat, and it worked amazing. I was so happy about it. But yeah, I did that, and I also did it in the back seats. I just didn't get a clip of myself doing that, but I did go ahead and do that all over the seats.
We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. To become a better man, sinking in the sand. Oh. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
So that is all for today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I upload a video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
What do we do to love?